Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm excited to show you something truly special, a mid-century modern sunroom from Hommie. If you love sleek designs and seamless indoor-outdoor living, you're going to adore this. Mid-century modern is all about clean lines, geometric shapes, and a mix of natural and man-made materials. Think large glass windows that let in tons of light and minimalist furniture that makes the space feel open and airy. What makes Hommie stand out is their factory direct customization. This means you get a sunroom tailored exactly to your needs, shipped straight from the factory to your door. It's cost-effective and gives you more value for your money. Installation is a breeze. Just hire some local workers, and you'll be enjoying your new sunroom in no time. Imagine having a stylish retreat in your own home. Hommie makes it easy and affordable. So, if you're looking to add a touch of mid-century modern elegance to your home, check out Hommie. Trust me, you'll love it.